Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, I will cover the 2021 Dodge Challenger wheels, both the standard and available factory wheel options. Before I do, I just want to remind you that if you find this information helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, real quick before we get started, I just want to remind you to take a look at my Looking at 2020 Dodge Challengers video. The link is in the description below. Okay, let's jump into all the different wheel options, both the standard and available wheels. We can see here, these are the standard wheels, and then they also have a huge selection of available wheels. We're going to start off with the standard wheels, and they're going to show us all the wheels for all the different trim levels. For instance, these are standard on the base model SXT with rear wheel drive. Here are the 19 by 7.5 inch satin carbon wheels that are standard on the SXT with all-wheel drive. 20 by 8 inch satin carbon all-wheel drive wheels that are standard on the GT with all-wheel drive. There's two base models essentially that come with the V6 engine. You got the SXT and the GT, which is a little bit sportier. Then we have these 20 by 8 inch satin carbon aluminum wheels that are standard on the RT. This next set of wheels here, these are 20 by 9 inch low gloss granite crystal wheels. These are standard on the RT Scat Pack. Now we're moving up into the higher performance trim levels. These are the 20 by 9.5 inch SRT low gloss black performance wheels, standard on the Hellcat and Hellcat Red Eye. Lastly, for standard wheels, we've got these 20 by 11 carbon black lightweight wheels. These are standard on the SRT Hellcat Red Eye wide body. Okay, so we went through all the standard wheel options across all the trim levels. Now let's look at the available wheel options across all the trim levels. These are the 19 by 7.5 inch black noise painted wheels. These are available on the SXT with all-wheel drive. Here's a little bit bigger set of wheels, though they kind of look the same. These are the 20 by 8 inch black noise all-wheel drive wheels. These are available on the SXT with all-wheel drive and the GT with all-wheel drive. Here's an available wheel on the RT. It's the 20 by 8 inch black noise painted wheel. Same deal as the SXT and GT all-wheel drive. These set of wheels, I like these. Why? Because they're lighter. Most of these wheels seem to be dark wheels, black wheels. These are the 20 by 8 inch machined wheels with granite pockets. These are available on the RT. This set of wheels here, they're available on the GT and the RT, are the 20 by 9 inch lights out painted wheels. These wheels here, the 20 by 9.5 inch forged painted aluminum wheels, available on the RT Scat Pack. Here's an interesting set of wheels, 20 by 11 inch Devil's Rim aluminum wheels. These are available on the RT Scat Pack wide body. These 20 by 9.5 inch Brass Monkey forged aluminum wheels are available on the RT Scat Pack, the Hellcat, and the Hellcat Red Eye. I like these wheels here. I see these on a lot of Challengers. These are the 20 by 9.5 inch machined wheels with granite pockets. These are available on the Hellcat and Hellcat Red Eye. These 20 by 9.5 inch wheels are called Matte Vapor SRT aluminum wheels. They're available on the Hellcat and Hellcat Red Eye. Here's a set of Brass Monkey wide body wheels that are 20 by 11. They're available on the Hellcat wide body and Hellcat Red Eye wide body. And lastly, we have this 20 by 11 inch Warp Speed granite wheels. These are available on the SRT Hellcat wide body and the Hellcat Red Eye wide body. Okay, so that's it. We took a look at all the 2021 Dodge Challenger wheels, both the standard and available factory wheels. If you found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.